Hi, it's Danny Lyons, and you've heard me on WEBE108 talking about my dentist, Dr. David Fantarella. Well, today we're going to meet him and his great staff at the Fantarella Dental Group in North Haven. They are on a mission to change the dental experience, and they're doing a great job at it. Although you're surrounded by the latest laser technology, you always feel warm and welcomed by the staff, and they treat you like family. As a matter of fact, they treat everyone from 1 to 101, and everybody knows your name. Hi, Cece.
Hi, Danny. How are you?
I'm here to see Dr. Fantarella.
Alrighty, we will be with you shortly. You can have a seat.
Thank you so much. This is the beautiful, modern, spacious waiting area. But the beautiful part about this is you really don't have to wait much because they respect your time and they bring you in on time.
Dan?
Hey, Becca.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Nice to see you.
You can come on back with me.
Okay, great.
How's your day?
Everything's going great. Hey, Dr. Mike. So right in on time. They know I'm a baby and I have a fear of coming to the dentist, but they always make me feel safe and comfortable when I'm here. I like the fact that there's a TV in the room, so it kind of distracts me from what's going on. But I know when Becca or Michaela are doing my cleaning, I'm never afraid. I have no fear. And you use the Cavitron, is that right?
We do. So it uses the water and vibration. I kind of like to say that it's a nice power clean. It gets a lot of the day's plaque off, and it helps us get the harder plaque off without having to really strain.
And I happened to meet the soon-to-be CEO of the Solea laser company, which is Convergent Dental, and I helped them bring that to market. And I was the first one to use it, and I've taught pretty much everybody how to use it. I think laser. And there's just a lot of things we do with the laser that make traditional treatment much, much easier. And then as the years went on, I've been able to bring in other practitioners who share my vision.
So the nice thing about being part of the practice is we have accessibility and availability to all different types of technology. My passion here is to do root canals. So patients who come here and need root canal procedures, whether it's because of a deep cavity, because of a cracked tooth, because of a previously crowned tooth, whatever the situation may be, I have the availability in the technology to do the root canal and to do it perfectly. So, and the nice thing is typically the root canal procedure you would have to go to the specialist. If that's the way you chose, you would go, come back. We make the diagnosis with the technology. We do the root canal with the technology. I use a microscope that's around 25 times magnification to help see in what is sometimes the width of a pinhead, the nerve spaces, clean it out, fill it, and then we use the technology of the CAD/CAM system to restore it with the crown, all in one day.
So here at Fantarella Dental, we have all the technologies that allows us to make the best outcomes for patients. So we can, plan it ahead with our cone beam technology. We can do the procedure and have the laser, give us better outcomes and better healing times, and have patients come in, get to know us and not have to go out to another doctor, meet another team of doctors, and get the implant placed here and get it restored either that day or in the future.
Having like-minded professionals under one roof with the right technology, it's a recipe for success. It's great for the patients. It's great for the dentist because even during difficult days, we have a good time. And if we're having a good time, we exude that, and it makes the environment, it's a culture. The staff pick up on it. We have over 40 staff now that really are just, everybody's pedaling in the same direction. Now, what's the next step in terms of where do we head next? And the one thing we concentrate on, we have quarterly meetings with the entire staff, and the number one thing is this: maintain the feel, that small, patient-centric feel, and then continue innovating and making the experience better, and then just get it to as many patients as we can get it to. I say to patients, it's a good thing and a bad thing. If you like the way we do it, there's not many other places to go. So what happens is if patients move away, we tend to do at least one cleaning a year in their dentistry, and they may get a cleaning somewhere else. And they come in from all over, East Coast, West Coast, St. Thomas, Atlanta, up north, and we always accommodate them. One of the biggest misconceptions is, well, I'm getting all this fancy stuff, it's going to cost more, right? But the reality is it costs less because, number one, we measure twice, cut once, basically meaning that we have the technology to determine whether we can have a favorable outcome. So we don't just treat things empirically, meaning keep trying things. Number two, with the laser especially, we can take traditional treatment and really do it much, much faster.
So less time,
Less time, less money.
cost less.
We process all insurances. There's very few that we don't process. North Haven, I was born and bred in North Haven, and it's just a great town. There's a lot of other great towns, but this is the one that I know the most. And one of the ways that I can give back, concussions, we're very aware of concussions, and mouth guards can really help with that.
Really?
So it's one thing that we do very well here. I've invested a lot of technology in just making the mouth guard. So we give we started with the local high school team, then it expanded. We actually went over to Hamden and we did the hockey team in Hamden, and now the youth organizations are asking me to do it, and I'm just not very good at saying no. So we're pumping out some serious mouth guards here, but the kids love it. They look forward to it. They look forward to colors, different colors that represent their team.
I hope you enjoyed our visit with Dr. Fantarella today and learning about the newest technology in laser dentistry. It's worth the trip from anywhere to visit the Fantarella Dental Group. He's my dentist. I know you'll have a great experience. You can call 203-239-1155 or visit thefantarelladentalgroup.com. It's tomorrow's technology today.